So, are we going to be able to fish or not? That's the question.
Good. How you? Gotta watch that guy behind you, Tim. He's trying to steal something. I'm not feeling this right here. I'm not feeling it. Anything on the buzz plate yet? Is he? That seems to be his spot right there. Where? Down the river. Moats love young on. He catches them every time he goes down there.
Which way's down the
when
river?
you have your own launch like we do, it's like
Which way's down the river?
that way. Where the sun is. Pretty much, like, no joke, look down there. I mean, it's go camera, let them know. Oh, the one that put the bacon back. Yeah, that's one of the ones that don't kill too well. Yeah, that's one. That's one, and we've been out here for what, 10 minutes? Freaking missed his footset, dude. Every time I turn the camera off. Every time I cut the camera off, Chris is like, oh yeah, we catch one. We catch one real quick. 1 minute. 2, 3 minutes. 4 minutes. 5 minutes. 6 minutes. 7 minutes. 8 minutes. That's about 9 miles. About 9. One, you need to tell me so I can grab that camera.
That was a good cast, too.
Well, see, if I had that chest mount, I could put it on you. Put the chest mount on you. You just keep that camera facing towards me and Chris. But I'll have the chest mount Friday. Chris called another. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, he's a mean-ass spot. There's spot action, man. Another one. This is 3 up.
So does it count if I catch a drum? Or do I have to catch a bass?
It's gotta be a large bass boat. It goes straight into it.
Alright. Huh.
No, wait. Thumbnail, get in it. Like, do a little something, something.
I'm gonna blow it up.
Way over time. There you go.
My fingers are starting to turn green because of this braid. Thought everybody should know.
But you could just tell people that's because you catch it.
Spinner bait on.
Well, you gotta let them know that you're good.
I got a fishing rod.
Will.
This weekend.
Saturday's video, they'll see a whole different way.
Whole different ball game. Still same fishing rod.
Same fishing rod.
But I'm gonna have another fish.
And yeah. You'll have 2 instead of 1.
Actually, Chris, I'm about to. I think I'm gonna buy Abu Garcia.
There you go.
Hey, sea legs. He did it. He did it.
It's actually biggest of the day.
Let's go.
He freaking did it. He freaking did it. Bring it in. Let's come close. Come close. Make it look bigger in the video. All right, now, no, with the storm behind you. Let's do the thumbnail. That's perfect. Dude, he freaking did it. Put the cameras on Lee and he shows up.
I do need a picture. I do need a picture so I can.
That's a thumbs up.
Always the. Leak, that big fish. Leak. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Don't be drunk. It might be. Yeah, it's either a catfish or a drum. No way that's a bass, right? There ain't no freaking way.
It is a bass.
No, it's not.
So,
Are you being serious? Like,
tap the screen. I did.
calm down. Are you gonna boat flip or you want me to grab it?
No, you're gonna have to get it. Don't throw my line though.
Where is your line? Holy balls. This video just got way more intense, boys. Is this a bass?
No.
Oh, so you don't?
No.
Woo! Hey, I sure enough was about to grab it with my hand. I was about to snag it, dude. It scared me, dude. Turn that thing to me.
That thing's.
God! He went noodling. Wow. That's awesome.
Get out of